Hi everyone, I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Now it's a new week for Toshi Coin. In this video, we are going to be paying attention and also talking about this very important Toshi chart on the daily time frame, and also Toshi price update on the 4-hour time frame. Not to forget this very important BTC dominance chart on the monthly time frame, and also this very important orders/BTC pair monthly chart. This chart is clearly telling us that the market is about to explode. Altcoin market, to be precise. Altcoin season is inevitable, and if you're paying attention to what the MACD indicator is saying on the order/BTC pair on the monthly time frame, the MACD indicator, the last time it formed this bullish divergence, we exploded to the upside. The bullish divergence has now appeared once again. We are going to be talking about all this briefly, and also the probability of getting a rate cut for the month of September 2025. Let's not forget this chart. We talked about this chart in our previous video as well, the orders weekly time frame comparison with the Ethereum weekly time frame comparison. So when Ethereum broke out, it pumped massively to the upside. We are currently in the Ethereum season. Now the orders coin season is about to begin. The moment we are breaking out of this resistance around $305 billion, flipping it into a support, then it's going to be a full send into altcoin season. The last time we tapped into this breaker, I gave you guys a heads up in the previous video. We got a massive rejection to the downside. Now, the truth of the matter is, if we are to get another rejection from here, and if we're not able to flip the 112k zone into a support and we are getting a rejection, then I think this time around we might take out this previous low around $107,000 and maybe briefly tap into the $105,000 zone, which should be my worst case scenario for BTC. I told you guys that this zone, the zone between 0.00061 and also 0.00056 is a high liquidity zone. By the way, before we proceed, if you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, share this video with your friends and family. For those new to this channel, my name is Isaac. You're welcome. Now, Toshi is now consolidating in this price zone between 0.00061 and also 0.00056. Now, my worst case scenario for Toshi would be Toshi dropping to 0.00052 or 51. And that's why I'll be entering by the time Toshi event. If at all the market presents me with the opportunity, I'm going to be entering my position around the 0.00052 for Toshi coin. Toshi is going to melt faces very soon. So by the time we flip the 0.00061 into a support, then we should begin to head to 0.000759 zone for Toshi coin. A flip of that zone into a support is going to mark a beginning of a new trend, an uptrend for Toshi, to be precise. Toshi is going to begin to rally hard. I think it's going to tally with the altcoin season timing. Altcoin season, like I've screamed at the top of my voice countless times, it's inevitable. And I think I dropped a couple of information for you guys on the Telegram channel. And I said I was going to talk about the orders chart, which is what we are going to do. So for those panicking selling now, I think you're doing yourself no good. What you should be doing right now is to panic buy DCA into potential project. And you shouldn't be jumping from one coin to another. That is a very bad and wrong strategy. That strategy would eventually make you lose a lot of money. The best thing is to trust your conviction and hold on to particular coins you believe in instead of jumping from one coin to another, rotating unnecessarily. Yeah, altcoin season is inevitable, like seriously. And we also talked about this. The truth, a lot of people patience is running out already, and you guys need to hold. Here is the economic calendar outlook for this week. Monday, no news, clear price action. Tuesday, no news, clear PA. Wednesday, expect volatility, which is the day before the CPI news. Thursday, clear price action. Friday, clear price action as well. So yeah, that's that for that. And let's go back to... So by the time the BTC dominance start dropping aggressively, just like it did in 2021 altcoin season, 2017 altcoin season, that is when we are going to explode. That is when altcoins are going to go parabolic, go ballistic, like seriously. And let's not forget the orders chart is already flashing a very, very important signal. The last time this signal flashed here, we sent massively to the upside. The last time it flashed, with altcoin market exploded. The last time it flashed in 2021, altcoin market exploded, and the orders chart slash BTC pair, excluding top 10 to top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, topped in November. You get technically. Since the orders chart topped in December 2021, it has never outperformed BTC since then. I think this is the first time it will be bouncing from this support zone on the monthly time frame and then sending aggressively to the upside. Now, the send is going to be televised. A lot of people are going to get surprised and are going to wish they bought more altcoins now. If you're entering the MACD indicator for the orders slash BTC pair on the monthly time frame, excluding top 10, top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, you will notice the last time this bullish divergence formed, the orders price exploded to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention, the bullish divergence has now formed on the histogram again. And the moment you're seeing this MACD line crossing above the signal line, which is number one bullish indicator, the second bullish indicator would be for the MACD line and the signal line to both cross above the the zero line and head above the histogram. The third indicator will be the histogram flipping green, start forming a green candle. Then you should know we should be in an explosive phase of the altcoin season by then, because before this histogram and MACD line will even cross below the zero line, we should already be in an altcoin season. And by the time they cross above the zero line, we should be approaching the mania phase, the blow up phase. I'm going to be giving you guys a heads up as to when to sell, so you have nothing to worry about. The probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut for the month of September is now seated at 90%, almost 100%. And the probability of getting larger 50% basis point rate cut in the month of September is now seated at 10%. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. We should be expecting the rate cut on the 17th of September 2025. Expect a lot of volatility in the market. If you're paying attention, we have 9 days and 4 hours, 21 minutes until the next FOMC meeting for the month of September 2025. So I think September onward looks very, very promising for the altcoin market. Hold your altcoin very well. This is not the time to panic sell at all. There's no reason at all to panic sell. By the way, whatever I say is strictly my own opinion and should not be regarded as financial advice. But I won't be holding my altcoin. I'm not the type that sell. I rather hold my altcoin until zero, and I know I'm wrong with my conviction, than to sell at a loss. You understand? It's either 10x to 100x gain, or I hold until zero. That's just my own strategy for altcoin long-term hold. So yeah, that's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, smash the like button. Peace out.